Hey everybody, just wanted to show you this new awesome product that I can't wait to try out. Avalon King ceramic coating. Going to try it on my 1984 Porsche 944. We'll see how it goes. Everything that I've seen about this product, whether it's the Instagram page that they have, YouTube, referrals from other people who have used it, it sounds amazing. Great value and looks like a great system and product, and their customer service is fantastic too. They've responded to emails I've sent in a timely manner. Their pricing is great, quick delivery. I'm in Canada, as a lot of you know, and something about that typically is when we get stuff from the States, it takes forever or it gets tied up at the border. Well, this was here in I think it was like 3 days, so really impressed. So let's take a look, and then we'll put it on the car and see what you think. Nice bubble wrap packaging. Woohoo! Yeah, I got 2 boxes because I want to do the 944, and then I'm going to do a couple of other cars after that. So there it is, and we'll open up one of these a bit later. There's the second one. You get a great deal on shipping, like free shipping over $100 in Canada at least. And I had a coupon that I used, promo code, save some money there, and the multi-buy discount. So I love it. There's tons of incentive as to why to get this. So here we are, 1984 Porsche 944. We're going to put the Avalon King. Just showing you the car after a wash. I need to use the clay, and I'm actually going to polish it because, I don't know, you probably can't see it too well, but there are some kind of imperfections I'd like to try and cover up. There we go. Yeah, so this car has been repainted, and whoever did it didn't do the best job. Like, there's some bubble marks. I just got some overspray off. You can still see a little bit there. Anyways, oh yeah, and the primer, they actually had a little bit of primer overspray on the window there. So I actually used some Goo Gone and then Windex. So now, the car's gonna be ready for clay, and then I'll polish, and then ethanol, and finally the Avalon King. So it'll be interesting to see how it looks. I'm actually really excited to see how it looks when I'm done all this. So I'll take a next video after the polish. All right, so the polishing is done. So tomorrow, take it outside in the sunshine, get a different light angle, use the ethanol, or sort of the isopropyl alcohol. I guess, yeah, ethanol or whatever it is, rubbing alcohol. And then we'll get the armor shield on. All right, so I've cracked open the box here. For you're wondering kind of what is in the box, obviously the website or Avalon King's Instagram is probably the place to go. But just from an amateur perspective, here's the microfiber cloth. We have the applicator, like super awesome kind of light applicator towels. We have the bar here that holds them together. So you got three of those. You got one of these. You got your bottle, gloves, and a sticker that came with it that I've already put on my tool area here, and this card, kind of sleek card that we use to secure the light towels. Some great instructions on YouTube, but also of course these print instructions here. Very thorough yet simple. So super stoked to get it on. So I've done the hood, and wow, look at that shine. Phenomenal. And I also wanted to show you the trim. Look at that. So I've just done that. And there's the part that I haven't done. So this is sweet stuff. Beauty. Slam dunk. Awesome. Did the rims too. Look at the shine, the windows. Looking sweet. Wow. Look at that. Phenomenal shine. Finished product. Absolutely phenomenal. So sweet.